In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll have a simple working CRM dashboard that tracks customers, their contact details, their status, and notes, all built in just a few clicks using Lovable's AI Builder. Start by opening your browser and going to Lovable Dev. Give the page a moment to load. You don't need to overthink anything here. This process is designed to be fast. Using a modern browser helps ensure everything renders smoothly and the editor responds quickly. Next, click Create New App. This tells Lovable you're ready to spin up a fresh project. On the template or app type screen that appears, choose Web App. A web app is perfect for a CRM because it gives you a clean interface in the browser with tables, forms, and actions that are easy to manage. Now for the fastest part. In the Lovable chat on the right, paste this exact prompt, just as written, so the builder knows precisely what to generate. Build a simple CRM dashboard with a customer table. Each customer should have name, email, status, lead/contacted/closed, and notes. Add ability to add, edit, and delete customers. Use a clean, modern UI. This prompt gives the AI a clear spec. It tells it to create a dashboard, define the customer table, include fields for a name and an email, and track a status that moves through lead, contacted, and closed. It also instructs it to enable adding, editing, and deleting customers, often called CRUD functionality, and to present everything with a modern, uncluttered design so the interface is easy to read and use. Once you submit the prompt, Lovable will generate the project structure for you. Expect a main page with a customer table, plus forms or modals to add new entries and to edit or remove existing ones. The statuses are especially handy. Lead for potential customers, contacted when you've reached out, and closed when the opportunity is finished. Notes give you a simple way to store quick context, like where the lead came from or what to follow up on next. Because you kept the prompt concise and specific, the builder can move quickly and avoid guesswork. If down the line you want different field labels or a new status, you can simply refine your wording in a future prompt. For now, this setup is a solid foundation for lightweight customer tracking without any manual coding. That's it. Go to lovable.dev, create a new app, choose Web App, paste the prompt, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You'll have a clean, functional CRM dashboard ready to use in minutes.